Welcome to another video. This will be our first video where we look at the volume of a pyramid. Remember, the volume is the amount of space inside a three-dimensional object. You'll recognize this as the Great Pyramid in Egypt. They believe it took about 20 years to build this. A pyramid is a shape that has a two-dimensional base, and all vertices or corners of the base rise up to meet at an apex. So here's a pyramid. We'll add in some hidden lines, and you'll see that the base, all corners of the base, rise up to meet at an apex. The height is the distance from the middle of the base right up to the apex. Now the base is a square. You may not recognize it as a square with the way I've drawn it, but if I was to fly over the top of the pyramid and look down, you'll see that the base is indeed a square. So this is called a square-based pyramid. We can have square-based pyramids, rectangle-based pyramids, triangle-based pyramids, pentagonal-based pyramids, and circle-based pyramids, which we often call cones, plus many other types of pyramids. So the volume of a pyramid is equal to the area of the base times the height, all divided by 3. We work out the area of the base, multiply it by the height, and divide it all by 3. So let's get straight into example 1. Calculate the volume of the following pyramid. You'll see that the base is a square, 15 by 15 centimeters, and the height is 9 centimeters. So the volume is equal to the area of the base times the height, all divided by 3. So I've substituted in some numbers. The area of the base, which is 15 times 15, which is a square, multiply by the height, which is 9, all divided by 3. Let me grab my calculator. I don't really need brackets, but I'm going to go bracket 15 times 15 times 9, all divided by 3. And I'll get 675. So the volume of this pyramid is 675 centimeters cubed. Remember, volume is measured in cubes. That tells me if I had a small cube that's 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, I would need 675 of these little cubes to make up the same space as that pyramid. Alright, example number 2. We're going to calculate the volume of the Great Pyramid. Well, the Great Pyramid is about 230 meters on the base by 230 and has a height of 147 meters approximately. So we're going to calculate the volume by going area of base times height divide 3. So let's substitute in some numbers. The area of the base is 230 times 230, which is a square, and the height is 147, and we're going to divide that all by 3. So calculator, again, don't really need brackets, but I'm going to go bracket 230 times 230 times 147, close brackets, divided all by 3. And I'm going to get a volume of 2,592,100 meters cubed. What does that tell me? Well, if I had a big block which is 1 meter long, 1 meter high and 1 meter deep, I would need 2,592,100 of these blocks to build this Great Pyramid. And that's very close to the actual number of blocks they used to build it. Great, thank you very much for watching.